obviously the goal is to be number one everywhere. That's what everybody wants, right? We just want to be the best known plumber in Massachusetts. Well, doesn't everybody? That's
so do all the other plumbers.
Right. So that's where we come in and we have to explain, well, everybody wants that, straight up. Everybody is fighting for the top spot of Google. And so let's talk about all the different things that affect achieving growth in that area, and affect, like we were talking about earlier, the results analysis of that. Like, okay, maybe your top spot within this specific demographic of people who are searching for these things, but your competitor has the top spot for a different combination of keywords, and that's okay. So let's talk about that.
Yeah, so there are smaller components of that called citations. It accounts for, they say, between 7 and 10% of like the effectiveness. That's just making sure that your business information matches everywhere else on the internet, right? But the two main things that help the most are your Google My Business page, because it impacts the maps pack, like the map search, and your on-site or on-page content and speed. So those are like the top things. Does your website load fast? Does it? Do your images have alt text? That's a tech term. Pretty much means that when someone goes to your website, or when Google crawls your website and there was an image there, they had no idea what the image was about. So they added alt text so you can let Google know this is an image of our team, and if you have that in there, it helps Google figure out what the content is about. So when someone is searching for relevant content, you pop up first. So like, do all the things on your website that make it favorable to Google, right? After that, it's consistently producing content on the website.